Hi, my name is Dan Corbett, and I'm the managing partner of BlackIron Group. Wanted to throw together a quick video today to show you how to set up this year, last year formula fields in Salesforce for reporting and do some really interesting sales analysis. Let's jump right in and show you how we set up these fields, and then I'll show you how it looks in a dashboard. So the first field you need to set up is a field that sort of genericizes, I guess, if that's a word, the month. Basically take any month that you've got in the system and give yourself a placeholder so you can use it in the formula fields. In this example, you have to use the case command. I have a if in front in case I get an error, and I basically say, give me the case for month, and then I set up 01 Jan, 02 Feb, all the way through to 12 December. I also take information and I basically figure out what year in the calendar that sale has occurred. So again, I use the order date in my custom object example, and I say if the year today is -1, so in 2025, if it's 2024, then put that amount into the last year amount field, otherwise put a 0 in. And then I do the same thing for this year by basically saying if the year is this year, 2025, then put that amount in there. So now I've got two fields. I've got a field set up for this year and for last year. So let's go see what that looks like in reports and dashboards. Okay, in my dashboard, I can jump into any of this data and see what those results are. So remember my month field? I've got that listed across the top here, January, February, March, and on and on. You can kind of see all the way through. In addition, I sort of say, show me this year's quantity, the quantity, I also do amount as well, and last year, and then build a formula field to kind of show me the decrease or increase. I've done it at the sales rep example, but once you get this built, you can put this into any data that you want to build in the system. So I've got one here to show me by rep. How are my reps doing this year to last year? If I roll all the way over, I can see the totals and see who's up and see who's down right in the this year, last year kind of stuff. Super powerful information. But using that data, right, I can get into by category. I've got a custom field called category. And I break this out, again, doing the exact same thing by customer, by category, right? So AJC, by parts, repairs, tanker, trailer, and so on. And I build out that same information. If I pull all the way over here, again, just like I had on the reps, I can see the sum total for everybody out in the system. Very slick stuff. I can do it with margin. If I've got the cost in the system, I can take that information and use that to build out gross margin this year, last year as well. Really anything that anything that you want to do in the system, once you get these fields built, and it goes super quick to put together, you can start to put that together. BlackIron's happy to help. It's pretty easy to do on your own. But give us a call if you want to. We'd love to help you do this year, last year. We're big fans, and I think it's an undersold feature in Salesforce of the reports and dashboards functionality. We can help you really take advantage of some basic information. This has ERP data, and load that into the system to kind of figure out what you're doing year over year. Thanks for listening.